Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have the iPhone 16 Pro, lucky me. And I got this here. This is a shockproof phone case. Let's see what it looks like. It looks like this. Ah, ta-da, that's what it looks like here. So I got blue, I guess. Couldn't remember, but check this out. So it's got all those cool features, I guess is what they said. So we'll put the phone in here. I have a screen protector on my phone already. Wow, this is not, it's a little tough. It's got like a, felt kind of inside. So I guess the shockproofness is going to be good. Okay, so let's see. We have this. How does this work? Oh, this is going to slide out here. So when I want to take a picture, I can do that to take a picture. That's kind of cool. So it has a little cover for the camera. So it'll be nice and protected when it's not in use. We have this here. Let's see, this will open up there. I can put my credit card and license in there if I'm going out somewhere, so I don't have to bring a separate wallet. And this is cool, nice case. So it makes it a little bit thicker, but if you think about it, these phones have that cameras that kind of stick out, so beyond the camera, it's really not too much further. And then we have the buttons here, so the power button works. The camera button, it's a hole, so of course it's gonna work. The up and down buttons work fine. The hold button for the ring button turns on too, so everything's good. I just took a picture, but it looks like we've got everything we need on this one here. It's a nice shockproof, nice thick case, so it'd be good. I could probably drop it and not have to worry too much about it. So I'm gonna say this is nice case, and it is shockproof there. It says Vizvera, I guess was the brand on it, and it's good. Thumbs up.